Welcome to Ask and Learn.
This question, it is told that there are two small balls of same masses and they are joined by a light rod, and this rod is free to rotate about its central axis. Now it is told that a small particle of mass m is kept at rest and it sticks to the ball A as the ball collides with it. Now we have to find the new angular speed of the rod. So first of all I am drawing the diagram for this given question. This is the initial condition and this is the rod. Here two particles whose masses are same, that is ball A and this is ball B, are joined and this is rotated about its central axis. Let its omega is the initial speed, and given that the masses of both the balls are same, that is m and m, this is the first condition. Now in the second condition it is told that a particle p of mass m is kept at a rest and it sticks to the ball A. So in the second condition, when the particle p sticks to this ball and this is the ball B, and this is rotated by, let new speed is omega dash. This is our particle A and this is the particle P which sticks to this particle, and this is our particle B. This is the second condition and this is the first condition. So moment of inertia in the first condition, that is I1, can be written as m into L by 2 square plus m into L by 2 square, and in the second condition I is, this mass is 2m into L by 2 square plus m into L by 2 square. As we can see that this is the center of the rod and this distance is L by 2 and this is also L by 2. In this also this is L by 2 from the center and this mass is at L by 2 from the center. Now we can see that there is no external force, so angular momentum is conserved. So initial angular momentum is equals to final angular momentum. So I can say that initial angular momentum is given by I1 omega 1 and this is equals to I2 omega 2. Now put all the data in this equation. So this is ml square upon 4 plus ml square upon 4 into omega is equals to, this comes out to be ml square by 2 plus ml square by 4 into omega dash. From here we get the value of omega dash, that is 2 by 3 times of omega. This is the new angular speed of the rod. Thank you.